देव मालिनी
सूर्यां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः स्वाहा
विष्करणी मेट्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनी
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः स्वाहा
महावगजातवेदो लक्ष्मीं मणभगामिनी
यस्यां हिरण्यं प्रबोधं गावो दास्यो स्वाहान्विन्देयं पुरुषाणज्ञ स्वाहा
महादेव्यै च विद्महे विष्णुपत्न्यै च धीमहि
तन्नो लक्ष्मीः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा
श्रीवत्सस्वमायुष्यमानो यमावेदा शोभामानं महीयते
धान्यं धनं पशुं बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः
स्वाहा समले कमलालये प्रसीद प्रसीद
सकलसौभाग्यं देहि देहि
ॐ श्रीं क्लीं महालक्ष्मी नमः
स्वाहा
सर्वप्रायश्चित्तार्थं होष्यामि इन्द्राय स्वाहा
अग्नये स्वाहा
शिवाय स्वाहा
नैऋतये स्वाहा
अरुणाय स्वाहा
वायवे स्वाहा
सोमाय स्वाहा
कुबेराय स्वाहा
ईशानाय स्वाहा
सोमाय स्वाहा
ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा
विष्णवे स्वाहा
सर्वप्रायश्चित्तार्थं होष्यामि पूर्णाहुति कालः விண்தாமரைக்கு அன்றி நின்பதம் தாங்கையின் வெள்ளை உள்ள தன் தாமரைக்கு தகாதுகளோ சகம் ஏழு அளித்து உண்டான் உறங்க ஒழித்தான் வித்தாக உண்டாக்கும் வண்ணம் கண்டான் சுவைக்குள் கரும்பே சகல கலாவல்லியே நாடும் பொருள் சுவை சொற்சுவை தோய்தர நாற்கவியும் பாடும் பணியில் பணித்து அருள்வாய் பங்கய ஆசனத்தில் கூடும் பசும்பொன் கொடியே கனதர குன்றும் ஐம்பால் காடு சுமக்கும் கரும்பே சகல கலாவல்லியே அளிக்கும் செந்தமிழ் தெல்லமுது ஆண்டு உன் அருள் கடலில் குளிக்கும் பலிக்கு என்று கூடுங்களோ உளம் கொண்டு தெளிக்கும் பணுவல் புலவே கவி மழை சிந்தை கண்டு கலிக்கும் கலாபமயிலே சகல கலா வல்லியே சின்னமஸ்தா தேவியே சரணம்.
So now we are going to do the final Purnahuti, final Ahutis.
இந்த தமிழ்ல சொல்லப்பட்ட ஸ்லோகம் சகல கலைகளையும் அம்பாள் அருள வேண்டும், நல்ல வாக்கியம் நல்ல செல்வத்தையும் நல்ல ஞானத்தையும் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய சக்தி இந்த சின்னமஸ்தா தேவிக்கு உண்டு. அதனால மிக சிறப்பு வாய்ந்த இந்த ஹோமத்தில் சின்னமஸ்தாங்கிறது ரொம்ப விசேஷமான மந்திரம். இந்த 9வது சின்னமஸ்தா இது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப விசேஷமான மந்திரம். ஆகையினால எல்லாரும் இதனுடைய ஹோம பலனை அனுபவித்து எல்லா சுகங்களையும் பெற இந்த வேதிக் போக்ஸ் அவருடைய சார்பாக உங்களை எல்லாம் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். நல்ல ஒரு சிறப்பான மந்திரம் சின்னமஸ்தா மந்திரம், எல்லோரும் அதை பயன்படுத்திக் கொள்ள கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம்.
So Chinnamasta Devi has been giving us the boons in Agni. Yes, we are mentioning about the pictures. I just do your prayers for 2 minutes in this Agni for Purnahuti. I just want to mention about the Dagini and Varnani, which our priest has been mentioning. See, Dagini and Varnani are the 2 companions of Chinnamasta, who dances on the bodies of Kama, the god of love, and his consort Radhi, who are in a sexual embrace. The central spurt of blood which is coming out of Chinnamasta, the flow of energy through the central channel, or Shukshma, the right and left flow shows the flow through the solar and lunar channels. So if you see the blood flowing in the right side and the left side shows the solar or lunar channels, the Pingala and Ida. Chinnamasta, personifying the Susumna, drinks the central stream, and the Varnini, the personifying the Pingala, drinks the right stream, and Dagini, who is personifying the Ida, drinks the left stream. The couple below her in a sexual embrace shows the inner union of the male and female energy in the physique. So her cut off head is a liberated consciousness, Her hair like lightning and her eyes beaming light show her direct perception of the absolute. Her sword or the headstopper is the power of discrimination, which is viveka, and her tongue is the power of mantra. As her form together is difficult to sculpt, it is a rare to find. This kind of form is a very rare, and Chinnamasta form can able to give you immediate deliverance. As you know, this the image of Chinnamasta represent a very internal transformation. So to reach Chinnamasta, one should meditate upon the seer and withdrawing one's attention from the object which we are seeing. This is based upon the recognition that the object which the mind is able to perceive, including the ego or self-image, must be destroyed. The thought level process will be destroyed, and you can see the inner reality within ourselves. Another method is to emerge our mind into the state of seeing and forget both the subject and object. This requires the concentration on the nature of seeing and stop dwelling on the seer or the seen. Hence, the cultivation of pure and direct perception is a prime method of worshipping Chinnamasta. This requires cultivating the awareness and no longer trying to locate our reality in any time, place or person. So actually we don't really want to see any object. We merely have perceptions which our thoughts through the naming process designate as various objects. If we choose to identify our perception as objects through thought, we do not find anything apart from consciousness. The world is like a kaleidoscopic pattern of perception which our thoughts divide up into various objects, but apart from the division of thought, have no other substantiality. Perception is not separate from the seer. If we choose to focus on perception as real and introvert our consciousness into the seer, the kaleidoscopic pattern of perception will resolve itself like waves into the ocean of pure awareness. I hope it is very difficult to get into you, but if you focus on Chinnamasta, whatever I have mentioned will come to you. You can see the recording afterwards and see these words being repeated again, so can you able to understand the process of cutting off the ego and meditating upon Chinnamasta to come out of that and connect to the cosmic whole, where everything is eternal and you can able to take decisions very easily, and the decision which will give you success because you are making a decision with the seek of divine help. So Chinnamasta will help you to connect, to cut off the objects which you are seeing, to cut off the perception or illusion which we are leading now in this present body. The bodily awareness will be totally cut off, and we will be connected. The thoughts and the soul which is attached to the mind is the stage where the body is not there. When we are dying, I will tell about the death process. When we are dying, the body first will go away. When Suladasa is coming, Suladasa in the chart represent two Rudras. In any one Rudra will cut off you from this body, and your soul, only your soul with the mind is a separate thing. And Maheshwara will come to cut off your mind to the soul. Until the process, mind and soul will be the individual entity. It will revolve around. That is the one we are calling as the soul or Atma or spirit. Once the mind is been removed from the soul, only then we will get another body. So when the mind is being cut off by Maheshwara, we will be put up in a temporary training session in the cosmic world, where we will be trained up. We will explain about the different janmas we have been encountered, and then we will be giving up the body according to the karma which we have accumulated. According to the karma which we have accumulated, we will get yet another body. In any loga, according to the karma, sins and balance of the karma, we will get another body. So the stage which we are mentioning with that process is called the mind with the soul, which is Chinnamasta. She will cut off the attachment to the body, and you will be in the stage of mind with your soul, where you can connect to the cosmic world, and your decision making process will be completely in sync with the cosmic process, and you will get the divine help to go beyond this, and you can decide your next life also. So Chinnamastava is not an ordinary Mahavidya. So please focus on this ritual and get whatever you want. I don't know whether you can able to understand the concept, but nevertheless you have been sponsoring this, and because of this definitely Chinnamastava will give you the knowledge to cut off this and go in touch with the divine world and get off from this illusionary world. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity. So please pray for 2 minutes. Now we are going to do the Purnahuri, the final ahutis for the Yagna Lord, the today's Yagna Lord Chinnamastava Devi. So she is very happy to give you the boots. After the this process, we will have a Namaskaram process. So please pray for 2 minutes. So please pray for 2 minutes. We are going to submit your desires along with this Purnahuri. We are going to submit your desires, your ambitions, or whatever you want in this life to the powerful lightning Chinnamastava Devi, who can able to give you everything in this life. Please pray for 2 minutes.
सप्तदां प्रियाणि सप्तहोत्रा सप्तधात्रा सप्तेन्द्रियावृणस्माकृतेन स्वाहा अग्नये सप्तमदैदं नमः. नमस्कारम.
So now we are going to do the Namaskaram process. We are going to say 3 mantras. You want to fall down facing east or north direction. The Namaskaram process should be done in east or north direction. Please fall down to the ground. When every mantra is been pronounced, please fall down to the ground facing east or north direction. Now the first mantra.
Udikindra sengadir Uchittilagam Udarvudayor Madikindra Manikyam Madulai Bodu Malarkamalai Tudikindra Menkodi Menkadi Kungumadojam Enna Vidikindra Meni Chinnamastava Tan Viditunaye.
Now we are going to do the second mantra. Please fall down.
Andamellam Uttale Madulambu Dirattale Ubiyadanga Kattale Aindane Pasan Kusam Karumbum Angai Sertale Mukkanniye Tuduvarku Murthingu Illaye Dhanam Tharum Kalvi Tharum Oru Naadum Thalarvariya Manam Tharum Deiva Vadivum Tharum Nenjil Panjamilla Idam Tharum Andala Ellam Tharum Anbar Enbavarke Ganam Tharum Poongulalai Abhirami Kadai Kandale Namo Devi Mahadevi Sivayi Satatam Namaha
Namaprati Bhadrayi Nita Pranata Smada
Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Sakti Rupe Samastita
Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha
Jayanti Mangalakani Bhadrakani Kapalini Durga Kama Sivadhatre Swaha Samada Namo Ranagata Dinartha Varitrana Varayane Sarvasyati Devi Narayani Namostute Mahadevi Namaha Devi Namaha Samasta Avarada Kshamartham Sarva Mangala Prapyatam Karpure Niranjana Jyoti Satya Sandhu Yajamanasya Kama Yene Yavayenga Deva Tani Dharmani Pradhamanyadhanme Dehanam Mahivanasya Sande Yatra Purve Sadhyasami Deva Namaste Devi Namaha Pratyargyam Tattva.
So please take the blessings. Now we are going to transfer the
Yastastanam Pradishtabhayami.
Chinna Master Devi who is in Agni.
Somanarte.
The water form in Kalasa, the fire Agni has been transferred to the Jala. Now we are going to spray this Agni across this temple hall. Please get the blessings. Now this is Kalasa where Chinna Master Devi is being now raising her presence. This is a Jala which you have in which Chinna Master is already there.
Yovidam Brahmano Veda Amradena Amradamburim Tasmai Atmaja Brahmaja
has been used.
Kirtim Prajam Rochana Rochavana Sobhamana Kalyana.
Flower which Chinna Master used, and we have coconuts, bananas, and betel leaves, tambula which we have offered to the goddess
Dharam Dharam Sarvabhi Tabala Siddhirastu Chinnamasta Devi Prasada Vala Siddhirastu Aroga Dinagartha Siddhirastu Sagala Saubhagya Siddhirastu.
So priest is going to bless you. So priest is going to bless you with the mantra. Bless.
Om Sangrahanye Jayate
Imam Janadagam Sangranhani
Vadasaratne Rasanabhavati
Dvadasavata Samvatsarah Bhavante Manje Bhavati Orvai Munjaha Orjameva Bhavante Chetrana Chatram Bhavati Chitram Vayedat Karma Yadasvamesha Samradhe
கல்யாணஹா சகல சௌபாகியமா பெற்று நீடூடி வாழணும் சொல்லி பிரார்த்திக்கிறோம்.
We are praying for your longevity, health and wealth and prosperity. Chinna Master Devi give you everything in life. So tomorrow we have the next Ganapati Homam schedule. As you know, we are doing 54 different Ganesha Rupa for Vijayavarsa. Vijayavarsa is one among 60 years. It will come 60 years once. And every year one Devada will take control of this cosmos. This year is called Vijayavarsa from April to next year, April 2014. So we are doing 54 different Ganesha Rupa Homams to get immediate blessings from Lord Ganesha. So next Homam is being scheduled tomorrow morning at 5:30. Sri Vigna Ganesha, please see the schedule. Tomorrow at 5:30, please join, everyone please join. Mainly the four sponsors of Ganesha, 54 Ganesha Homams. So they have been sponsoring for Ganesha Homam. Ganesha Homam is a 54 different Rupa of Ganesha which we are doing. So we like you to join for next Ganesha Homam. Thank you very much for all the sponsors. Tomorrow's Homam is been sponsored by Manju Mangal and Nainthara family, Suraprajal Sai Praveen family, Hero Bachani family and Susil Katka family. So 54 Ganesha Homam is dedicated to their families of these four important main sponsors who is getting the destiny from Lord Ganesha to perform these 54 different Homams for Ganesha. So for these souls, for these rare souls, we pray that Ganesha will give them everything they want. So please join tomorrow's Ganesha Homam. Thank you very much for giving us an opportunity. VedicFolks.com will be there for you at any moment to get you success in life, seeking the divine help. Thank you very much for giving us an opportunity. Signing off here is Namit Krishna. Thank you very much.